Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use format painter in Excel. So let's start with my Excel sheet, and here you can see I have a range of data with the proper formatting and one is a without formatting. So you can copy this formatting and paste in your other data. Okay. So simply select the range of data, go to the home tab. In clipboard group, click on the format painter option, and here you can see its data is automatically selected. And now your cursor changes to the brush. Then you drag over the range of cell where you want to apply the same formatting. Okay. So I just drag over here on this data, and you can see the formatting like font, color, border will be copied. Okay. Okay, if you want to apply the same format to the multiple places, okay, simply double click on the format painter. So I just go to the format painter and just double click, okay. And now you can use the formatting, same formatting on multiple places, same as I just drag and here apply the formatting, same as I drag and apply the formatting. So this is a way you can easily use the format painter in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.